exercise for 12A, question number 6. Let us try to understand the question. The length of a chain is used as a boundary of the semicircular park is 90 centimeter. Find the area of the park. Means we have a park here, semicircular park, and total length. This one, this is what circle. Yes, semicircle. Yes or no? Means half of the circle. So and this side also. So this side is nothing but what? Circumference. And this side nothing but what? Diameter. So we will write what? We write circumference of circumference of what? Semicircle. Semi means half. Half of circle or half of that park. Plus what? Plus this part is also there. No, see here. This is diameter. So diameter I am denoting with D. So plus diameter or you can write D. Total it will be how much? 90. So circumference of semicircle formula we already know what is the formula. Formula is pi r. Because for circle you know that 2 pi r divided by 2. So if for 2 pi r for circle, so for semicircle it will be half. So 2 cancel pi r. So directly we can write here what? Pi r plus diameter. So diameter is nothing but what? Twice of radius. 2 into r equal to 90. Take common here. So what we can take common? Common we can take r. It will be pi plus 2 equal to 90. Or we can write here r is equal to pi. We can write 22 by 7 plus 2 90. Or we can write r is equal to, it will be how much? 7. It will be 22. Nothing here is 1. 1 7 are 7. So 7 2s are 40. Or equal to 90. Or we can write r is equal to 80. 4 plus 2 6 and 2 1 3. 36 by 7 equal to 90. So next step what I can write? I can write here r is equal to, this denominator will multiply with numerator. It will be 90 into 7 by nothing here what? By 36. Let us try to cancel now here with, I will cancel with 2. So it will be 18 and this will be 45. Again, it will be 2, 9 ja 18 and 2 we cannot cancel. So we will try to cancel with 3, 3 6 ja 18 and it will be 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 50. Okay. Again with 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 50. So we got r is equal to 7 into 5. We will get 35 by 2. 35 by 3 we got. But here we are cancelling with 3. So it will be how much here? 3 2s are 6 2. So here it will be 2. So you can write in decimal or you can stop here. So radius we have obtained. What we need to find? Area of park. So now area of park, they are not saying that area of semicircular park. Area of park. So area of park we will use the formula same like the area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi will be how much? Pi will be 22 by 7. R we have how much here? Just see, R is this one. We can, R square means we can write this value 2 times 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Cancel with 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 5s are 35. 2 1s are 2 and this will be 11. So if you multiply, you'll be getting, next step, 11 5s are 55 into 35 by 2. So 55 into 35, we just see here how much we get. So it will be 35 and we got what? 55. So 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. We will get 5. 7 plus 5 12. 7 plus 1 8, 8 1 9 and here 1 5, 7 plus 5 12, 7 1 8, 1 9 1. So next we have to divide with 2. So if you divide with 2 you will get 2 9s are 18. Here it will be 1. then this 2 will come here, so it will be what, 2 6 are 12, this will be cancelled again, 5 will be coming here, yes, so 2 twos are 4, so it will be 1, then point, so you will get 0, 2 fives are 10. So we got this answer 962.5. So we will write next step here, you will see how much we will get. We got 55 into 35, how much? 1925 divided by what? 2. So if you divide 1925 by 2, you will get 962.5 centimeter square. So this is our answer for question number 6. Okay, so we will continue with question number 7. We have what? Area of circle is 49 times the area of another circle. So here of first there is two circle. Yes, one circle, and there is what? Another circle. So it's given area of one circle is what? 49 times. So area of this circle will be what? Will be equal to what? 49 times the area of this circle. Okay, so for this circle I am taking radius r1, and for this circle I am taking radius. Let us take what? For this one I will take r1, and this another one I can take r2. Okay, so we write let r1 and this one is let r1 and r2 be the radii of yes bigger, r1 will be for bigger and so here we have written that r1 and r2 be the radii of a smaller first one. R1 is for bigger circle, so we write for of bigger and a smaller circle, and they have already given that radii of another circle with radius means for the second radius means smaller circle we have the radius how much, 3. So we can write that r2 equal to how much is given. R2 is given 3 centimeter. Now according to question what we can write, we can write that area of a smaller circle, area of first I will write the area of a circle. So this circle I will take largest, okay, bigger. So area of bigger circle, we can write E is means equal 49 times means 49 into area of another circle. So area of, you can write what? Area of another circle. Area of another circle. Or area of a smaller circle also you can write. Let us write. Okay, same word we can use. So it will be for area of bigger circle, we know the formula. What we know the formula? It is pi r, and for bigger circle we are taking radius r1 square is equal to 49 into, it will be what? Area of another circle. So it will be pi r, and for a smaller circle we have taken radius r2 square. Now, so we have pi r1 square. So what we can do, we will take pi this side, right? So it will be r1 square is equal to 49 into pi r2. How much we have r2? So r2 is nothing but what? How much? 3. I can write 3 square. And this pi I will take other side, so it will divide. So it will be pi and pi cancel. So we got here r1 square is equal to 49 into 3 square. So next step I can write a square, I will take that side. So it will be r is equal to root over 49. What I can write? I can write 7 square into 3 square. So these two number are in pair. I can take it out from the root. So it will be 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21 centimeter. So this is nothing but R1. Means R1 is nothing but what is the here? Radius of which circle? Radius of bigger circle. So we'll write hence the radius of bigger circle is hence the radius of bigger circle equal how much? Equal 21 centimeter. This is our answer. Okay. So let us move to now next question number 8. After this we'll do question number 8. Question number 8 we have here. What is given? The sum of the radii of two circles is 7 centimeter and the difference of their circumference is 8 centimeter. Find the circumference of the circle. So how we can solve? We'll write let R1 and R2 be the radii of what? Be the radii of given circle or of two circles. Two circles. Similarly, we are talking about what? Circumference. So I will assume like this. Let C1 and C2 be the circumference of two circles. Two circles. So what we can write, what we have seen here, sum of the radii of two circles is 7 centimeter. Means we will add the radii. Radii of a circle is R1 and radii of second circle is R2 and total is how much is given? 7 centimeter. So from here you can find R1 or R2. What I will do? I will find the R2. So R2 is equal to 7 minus R1. 7 minus R1. We will write equation 1. Now second condition is what? First line is done from here to here. Now second, and the difference of their circumference. Difference means what? So first circumference I will write C1. Difference means minus C2. How much it's given? 8 centimeter. So C1 circumference 1 will be what? 2 pi. For first circle we are taking the radius how much? R1. So I write 2 pi R1 minus second circle C2 will be 2 pi. Radius will be R2 equal to 8. From here we can take common. So common will be 2 pi will be common. It will be R1 minus R2 equal to 8. R1 minus R2 equal 8. Or we can write 2 pi at place of R1. What we can write at place of R1? At place of R1 I can write R1. But at place of R2 I can write 7 minus R1. So this minus will be here. Here I will use the big bracket. Minus R2 I will put this value. So it will be 7 minus R1. Then it will be equal to 8. So next step I can write, it will be how much? Next step it will be 2 pi, I will write pi, or let us put the value of pi. Pi 2 will be 2, pi will be 22 by 7. Then here we can write R1 will be R1 minus into plus will be minus 7. Then minus into minus will be plus R1 equal to 8. Now transfer this number other side, so it will be first I will add this one R1 plus R1, it will be 2R1 minus 7 equal 8. And this number denominator will be multiplying to numerator, and 2 into 22 will be 44. So this one I multiply 2 into 22 and I am writing here. So next step will be, it will be 2R1. Yes, so it will be 2R1 minus 7 will transfer that side, so it will be, yes, 8 into 7, 44 minus 7 will be plus 7. So let us cancel now. So it will be 2, R1 will be 2, R1, cancel with 2. So 2 4s are 8 and here will be 22. Again 2 2s are 4 and it will be 11. So 7 2s are 14 by 11 plus 7, nothing here means 1. I can write here 2R1 equal, LCM will be what? 11. So 11 1 is 11, 14 will be 14 plus 1, 11 is 11, 11 7 is 77. So R1 is equal to my 8. 7 plus 2, 11. 7 1 8 1 9. And these 2 will go and multiply to 11. So 2 into 11 will be 22. Let us, what I will write? Putting, next step we got R1 now. Putting R1 is equal to how much? 91 by 22 in equation 1. So equation 1 is here. R2 I will write R2 equal 7 minus R1. So 7 will be 7. R1 is how much? 91 by 22. So what will be LCM here? It will be R2 equal, nothing here is 1. LCM of 1 and 22 you can write 22. So 1 if you divide 22 will be 22. 22 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. 1 15. Minus 21 2s are 21. 1s are 21. So if you divide 22 by 22 you will get 1. So 91. Next. So R2 equal to, it will be 4 minus 1 3. So 15 15 minus 9 will be 6. So 63 by 22. Again check 4 minus 1 3. 15 minus 9 6 60. Or you can cancel it. It will be, yes, 11. I will be keeping like this. We have only 63 by 22. What we have to find the circumference of the circle. So let us try to find the circumference of the circle. So circumference of first circle, circumference of first circle, circumference of first circle, first circle. What will be formula? Formula will be 2 pi r1. 2 will be 2 pi will be 22 by 7. R1 is how much? R1 we got here 91 by 22. So we'll put here 91 by 22. Cancel, you will get first answer. So it will be here 22 and 22 cancel. 7 1 are 7. 7 1 are 7. So it will be 2 1. So 3. 7 3s are 21. 2 into 13. So 2 into 13 will be 26 centimeter. So this is the circumference of first circle. Now circumference of second circle. So circumference. After this you will come here. So circumference of second circle. Second circle formula will be same. 2 pi r1 will be r2. So 2 will be 2 pi will be 22 by 7. R2 is how much? 63 by 22. Here you can see R2 is 63 by 22. Cancel 7 1 is 7. 7 9 are 63. 2 and 2 cancel. So 9 2s are 18. So this will be centimeter and this is also centimeter. So our answer is 26 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Okay. So now question number 9. Here what is given? A steel wire is what? Wire when bent in the form of a square. So we have a steel wire bent. We will bend it in the form of a square. So I have bent in the form of a square. This wire I am bending and making a square here. Okay. Yes. Let us see. Now this wire when it is bent have the area this part. Yes, it's how much is given. This is given 121 centimeter square. So I will write area of a square. Area of a square, how much is given? Area of a square, it is 121 centimeter square. So area of a square, we know the formula. You can write side into side or side square. So I write side square is equal to 121. A square will go that side, so it will be root 1 2. 1 to 1 is nothing but what? It is 11 into 11. So what you can take it out? 11. So side we got 11. Yes. So you already know what is the formula for perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square we will calculate from here. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, or 4 into s I can write. So 4 into side will be 4 into s is nothing but what? 11. 4 into 11 we got 44 centimeter. We got how much? 44 centimeter. Now, same wire, if the same wire is bent in the form of circle, we don't need a square anymore. Now you have to make it a straight and again make with the same wire what you have to make circle. So you can tell me one thing, that when same wire will be bent, then what will be equal? Area will not be equal, but what we can will be equal? See, length of wire is remain same. So this length of wire here also will be same. Here also will be same. So what we call that? Here we call this boundary, we call what? Perimeter. Length of wire means perimeter, right? And here length of wire means what? Circumference. So we can write what? Perimeter of a square equal to perimeter of circle. Yes. Why? So we'll write since same wire is bent in the form of circle, therefore in the form of circle, therefore we can write that perimeter of a square equal to, therefore perimeter of a square equal to circumference of circle. Now we just need to put the value. Perimeter of a square, yes, we know 44. Write it 44 centimeter or 44. Circumference of circle, formula is 2 pi r. So 44 will be 44. 2 will be 2. Pi we already know, 22 by 7 into r. Transfer everything on this side, so it will be 44. This denominator will become numerator 7, and 2 into 22 44, transfer it at the side, it will be divided by 44. 44 and 44 cancel, we got how much? We got 7 centimeter. So you will write what? Last line you will write, hence area of circle equal to area of circle equal, what is the formula? Pi r square. Pi is nothing but what? 22 by 7. R we can write 7 square. R we got 7, so we can write 7. So it will be 22 by 7 into 7 square is 7 into 7. Cancel 7 and 7. Multiply 7 into 22. It will be 154 centimeter square. So this will be our answer. Okay. Okay. So we have a hearts here now. In question number 10, a horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field. So let us make a rectangular field. And what is given here? And this inside a rectangular field 40 meter by 36 meter. 40 meter means I can say here this will be 40 meter length, and breadth will be how much? Breadth will be 36 meter. Okay, so this is the second. Then it's given what? And it tethered to one side of one corner of by a rope 14 meter long. So it tether means it's tied to this corner. Okay, and suppose our horse is here. So horse is moving. It can move like this because there is rope. No, yes. Suppose horse is here, so it will move this side or this side. It cannot go that side because this is the rope. Yeah, this is the rope. And length of rope is given how much? It is given 14 meter. So you already know, if you have circle here, so this one, yeah, this is the radius. So same like this rope is the radius, and if this figure, if you will see nicely, so this will be radius and this will be also radius because same horse will move till here. Yes or no? And here also. That's why you already know this figure is what? Nothing but what? This figure, if this is 14 meter and this is 14 meter, means this is nothing but what? This area is called what? This we call it sector. An area of sector. So we have to find how much area it can move. So in this area, horse can move and eat grass, right? So you write length of rope, length of rope equal to, I can write radius. Radius I am denoting with R. And how much is 14 meter. Now, how much grass horse can eat? So that will write area grazed by horse. Area grazed by horse will be, it's like a sector. The formula of sector you already know, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. So in a rectangle, theta is nothing but what? You already know in a rectangle, this angle will be, each angle you know already, each angle how much? 90 degree. So this angle also it will be 90 degree. So that's why theta will be 90 degree. Substitute the value, it will be 90 degree by 360 degree into pi will be 22 by 7. R we got 14 into 14 square. So next step, I can cancel 0 and 0. 9 1 are 9, 9 4 are 36. So 9 1 are 9, 9 4 are 36. So it will be 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 square means 14 into 14. Let us cancel 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14. 2 2s are 4 and 2 cancel. 2 1 are 2, 2 7 are 14. Multiply. So 22 into 7 again you will get 2 7 are 14. 2 7 are 14, 150. 154 centimeter, 44 meter square. Okay. So this will be our answer. This much area horse can scratch. Okay. Alright. So now we'll move to next question.